All right, guys, we have some really big news regarding meme coins and how they're going to be regulated in the United States. So we're starting to get slowly but surely starting to get some answers as to how things could look. And what we saw recently with David Sachs and some of the comments made, this was outside of the press conference when he went on to some public podcasts. He recently went in all in podcast, basically said, hey, there's a lot of different things here to consider when we're talking about regulating crypto in the United States. There's different sectors, there's different kind of ways to say, hey, this is more in line with the security. This needs to be handled by the SEC. This, not so much. The one thing he mentioned was NFTs and some other assets that could be kind of deemed as collectibles. Well, it looks as if meme coins could be falling outside the SEC's purview and outside regulation from the SEC. This is coming from Commissioner Hester Peirce. And I want to break you guys down here and tell you a little bit about the details here. This is huge news in terms of how meme coins could be looked at going forward in the United States. Now, keep in mind, nothing here is set in stone yet. These are just conversations being had. These are just basically the beginning stages of what regulation could look like. And again, this is going to be an ongoing story, right? This is going to be an ongoing thing as we slowly but surely get more information. So make sure you guys are subscribed. We are going to be all over this. That is my duty to you guys. I'm here every single day for you guys. I appreciate you guys so much too. I just, sometimes I forget how crazy this journey in crypto has been. And I am so grateful to be able to do this for you guys every single day. So make sure you guys do subscribe because I'm going to be on top of this for you, giving you guys all the news and information you need. So there is a lot of interest, obviously, in meme coins. This is where a lot of retail investors come and like to get into crypto by way of meme coins. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, Hester Peirce addressed concerns about the regulatory framework for meme coins. When asked whether the launch of meme coins by prominent figures such as the president and the First Lady complicates the SEC's role, Peirce emphasized the agency's existing limitations. She explained that the SEC is evaluating various categories of tokens, highlighting the rapid proliferation of meme coins. And she said this quote right here that I found very interesting. Facts and circumstances matter. We always have to look at the facts and circumstances, but many of the meme coins that are out there probably do not have a home in the SEC under our current set of regulations, meaning they shouldn't be, governed or regulated by the SEC. Peirce suggested that the jurisdictional issue may require action from other entities. She pointed to, you bet, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or the CFTC. So she said, or Nate Garachi, president of ETF Store, echoed Peirce's sentiment. Meme coins are more akin to collectibles, in my opinion. Peirce was recently appointed to the lead the SEC's new crypto task force. Despite being dubbed crypto mom, she made it clear that she does not view herself as an advocate for the industry. I don't describe myself as an advocate of the industry. I'm a freedom maximalist. Well, that should bode well for anybody holding crypto. That comment right there. She's not going to be a quote unquote crypto advocate, but a freedom maximalist. Well, the whole idea of crypto is freedom, right? And taking control of your own finances. She expressed frustration with the SEC's approach to crypto under the Biden administration, criticizing the use of regulation to hinder innovation. She drew attention to the agency's flexible regulatory framework, yet the SEC commissioner noted that it has created roadblocks for those trying to engage with the SEC. If you guys remember, Coinbase was trying to get a meeting with the SEC for years, right? A sit down to try to get exactly what they needed. Yet the SEC came after the popular exchange in the United States. It's a publicly traded company too. She called for an innovation policy that supports experimentation and new ideas. Peirce noted this should apply not just to crypto, but also to other sectors. She emphasized how the government should serve the American people, not stifle their efforts to innovate. Meanwhile, the meme coin market has taken a massive dip here recently. The total meme coin market cap stood at $75.6 billion, reflecting a 1% decline in the past 24 hours. But when Trump's coin launched, which still is in the top 50, despite it being down significantly, when it launched, it really did wash out a lot of the other meme coins, and it tanked the prices of top assets like Doge, SHIB, and Pepe. Many people started chasing the Trump coin. We'll see how this kind of plays out over time. I do think meme coins will have another wave, but guys, this is extremely bullish. Okay, extremely bullish for meme coins. And in a previous report, Be in Crypto highlighted that celebrity meme coins have seen notable declines. People that are investing in these appear to be shifting their attention right now to projects with real world value. But I do think meme coins will come back around. But this is some major, major news. And she said here, facts and circumstances matter. We always have to look at the facts and circumstances, but many of these meme coins that are out there probably do not have a home in the SEC under our current set of regulations. So that is the big news. We're going to continue to follow this story to see exactly what kind of updates are delivered on this. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. We'll be all over this for you. This is going to be all of 2025, right? Pretty much. Big news coming out from a new regime and new governing bodies, basically outlining the guidelines and guardrails in terms of how crypto is going to look, how it's going to be regulated in the United States. Finally, we're getting some answers. It's not going to come all at once, but over time, I think we're going to have some great insights and some great details. They're going to help crypto at large innovate, and people developing and building in crypto in the United States innovate. And so far, the news looks pretty good for meme coins as well. Before we get up on out of here, guys, real quick, I do want to tell you a little bit about what we've got cooking right now. We do have a discount running for XT Algo, 32% off forever when you use discount code XTLove. This is valid from now until February 14th. Make sure you guys check that out. Get in there before it is too late. This is the biggest discount we've ever run. It is the top way to get an edge in the overall market. Great opportunity for you guys. And this is my company, xtalgo.com. So make sure you use that discount code from now until February 14th, just a couple of days away, and you'll get that 32% off. It is a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, so keep that in mind. And also, BTCC is the preferred exchange that we've partnered up with. BTCC can be found linked down below in the description as well. Highly encourage you guys to check that out if you want to trade some of the top assets over there. And yeah, appreciate you all for watching the video. This is going to be a massive, massive piece to the puzzle because, again, so much of the retail investor, so much of their capital has flown into assets like Dogecoin, SHIB, and Pepe in the recent 3 to 4 year stretch here. And I don't think meme coins are going away. And I think they can only get bigger, especially if we start to have rules, guidelines, and regulations set up by the government. So we'll continue to track this story, guys. Appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.